What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get a 2025 Pokemon Go spoofer for iOS and Android. So this is super cool, guys, so let's get into the video. So as you can see, I got a bar on the right side of the screen which is going to show me all the nearby Pokemon. I got a joystick. I mean, this is super crazy. So let's get into the tutorial. So as you can see in the settings, we're going to have the ability to change the speed our character walks. We've also got joystick, all this stuff, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it, so let's get into the video. So as you can see, guys, I can actually walk around the Pokemon world with the joystick, which is so cool. So yeah, you've got lots of features in here. So to download it, go over to settings, and the first thing we're going to do is turn off the low power mode, guys. So once you do that, the next thing we're going to do is go over to the general and turn on the background app refresh. So this should be on by default, but if for some reason you got it off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. So let me just go ahead and do that. And the final thing we're going to do is turn on the automatic downloads. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. And now we're going to go over to the browser, and I'm going to show you guys exactly where to go to download this onto your device. So the website is called pokespoof.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So this is the website where you can actually get the spoofer, guys. So once you're on the website, we're going to press the button that says start download, and it's going to start downloading onto our device. Now it is going to ask you if you're using an iPhone or an Android, so just go ahead and pick which one you have. And then finally we have to do the verification, so this is the last step. Basically what you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and press the button that says verify now. It's going to bring me the list of apps, and I literally just got to download 2 of these apps and follow instructions. So as you can see, there's a huge list of them, so it really does not matter which app you do. You just want to make sure you download at least 2 of them, and you're going to be all good to go. So for the first app, I'm going to do the Lumo VPN. It's going to bring me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go ahead and go back onto the list of apps and download another app. So let me just go ahead and go back onto the list, and I'm just going to go ahead and download one more. So for me, I'm going to do the Evertail, so it's going to bring me to the App Store. I'm going to download it. So let's just give it a second to bring me over here, and now I'm just going to go to the home screen and wait for these to download. So let's see what happens. So the VPN is done, so I'm just going to do some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just running it. Pretty simple, guys, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. So yeah, I know some of you probably use these apps day to day anyway, so it's going to be really easy. So anyway, now we're going to do the other one, which is Evertail. This one's a game, so just got to run it and do some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So let me just go ahead and do that right here as you can see. Alright, just playing through it, you know, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. Alright, just playing around with it. So yeah, nothing too hard. So I'm just going to do this right here. So honestly, guys, I think we're pretty much done. So now we should have it on our device. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, I tried to find the best Delta Executor Pokemon Go spoofer that you can get. So as you can see, we have the joystick. We can actually go to favorites, which are huge cities around the Pokemon world, and we can actually go ahead and teleport to these, which is super crazy. So yeah, there's lots of settings in here, guys, for you to enjoy. We've also got enhanced throw, which gives you 100% catch rate if you throw the ball right, which is pretty wild. So yeah, there's so much cool stuff. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. I'm going to see you in another video, but if this tutorial works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it because it's super cool. This totally works.